At the count of 3, 1, 2, ready, cue music. Happy birthday to you. Everybody. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Alright, one more time, bigyan sa palakpak, everybody. Happy birthday. Lahat tayo bumalakpak. At lahat tayo ay gagaling. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Birthday, la 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 saga. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Alright, so, yan, before natin ipablow kay Raylene yung kanyang birthday cake, yan, tanongin muna natin, ano ba yung birthday wish ng ating birthday celebrant? What is your birthday wish?
Your birthday wish. Oh. Your birthday wish. Come on.
I forgot.
Go.
I hope I can get Zeus doghouse.
Jesus doghouse.
Wow, ano yun?
Zeus is a rock rider.
Again, how about you? For yourself.
For yourself,
Be smart
what's your birthday wish?
Be smart
and healthy.
and healthy.
Don't cry.
That's it?
And what else? That's it.
Okay, check na lang doon po niya yung iba. Okay, so, on the count of 3, yan, you may blow your birthday cake, okay? Ready? Nakasama ka pa sa picture taking talaga, ha? Gusto mo talaga, kailangan kasama ka sa picture, ha? Sige, ready? On the count of 3, 1, 2, ready, blow your cake! Alright, sabay-sabay sigaw, happy birthday, Raiden! Mahina yung malakas! Happy birthday! Alright, so tayo dyan! Guys! Eto na! Okay, so cut!